All right, I'm getting set up to glaze this now. I'm gonna glaze it upside down. I'm gonna take this out and put it in the opposite way. So let me wet that down again. Okay, this piece is kind of ratty. So let me push it through like this. Oh, it's not. I need two hands for this. Hold on. Need a little more bulk here. Okay. Okay, that's good. Okay. And now I know that doing this upside down is going to miss this part of this handle, so I will do that first by just pouring the glaze on the top part of the handles. Oops. Okay. One. And two. Okay. All right. Now there's also going to be a problem. I need a wider bucket. This is not going to work because this will channel the glaze straight out of the bucket and onto the floor. I don't want that. All right, much better. So the only problem is I'm gonna have to create a lot more clearance for this to turn in space. Okay, let's get this kind of set up here. That's pretty good. Okay, let me move some buckets. Okay, we've got clearance now. Okay, so we can set this up so that the handles are facing the long way, so if we have any loss, it will be no problem at all. Let's go ahead and see if we can center this. Keep it clean. Okay, clean that up. I should probably do the bottom first, too. Okay, let's get that done. So many little things to think about. Okay, so let me just pour that in. And then dump it out. It's not as heavy as I thought it was gonna be. That was unnecessary. Okay, back in position. Let's clean that up. Okay. Okay, and we can also maybe clean up this little, drip here. Okay, it's go time, folks. This is exciting. All right, I'm gonna get a clean sponge in my hand just in case. It's always good to have a clean sponge. Nice ally. And fill this up. Get her spinning. Let me see where I should pour from so you can see. Of course, it should be in the front, but I'm like standing in the back. Let me see. Oh my God. Okay, let's see if we can do it right here. How's it going down there? Pretty good. I'm just gonna go ahead and spin this faster. Hopefully it's stable. Just to get I thought maybe it would get the glaze moving down there. I'm gonna pour it from here, about halfway down. And then I'm gonna have to do a little manual stuff here. A little pour, a little, yeah. And then just a little bit of brush. Woo! All right. This is so fun. And this is, I think it's going to be gorgeous, this one. All right. I still have to do the lid. That's not a problem. Here's how I do the lid. I'm going to pour it into the hole, like the top, the lid. What's that thing called? The knob. Oops. Pour it out. And then, whoops. Here's how I'm going to do this. I have no idea. I'm going to go down like this. Okay. And out. And I still miss some. This is a gloopy gloppy glaze that needs to go on thick, and maybe this was a little too thick. I think it's mixed a little too thick. It seems like I'm just moving some from here to there. Okay. A little touch up. Don't do this if you don't know what's inside your glazes. Okay. And there we are. Great. Touchy, touchy. Okay, and it's already glazed underneath, so that one's done. I have to touch this up. One of my favorite phrases is, something always happens. So if you don't know how to glaze something, if you just start, something will happen. Like, I didn't know how to glaze this, not really, but something happened. Okay, so I'm gonna have to get, sometimes the thing that happens is not what you want to have happen. That's another thing to consider. I'm just gonna touch that up here. I'm gonna need a brush for those things down there. Yeah, I think I need a brush for most of this stuff. So let's get that going on. Might as well just use this right here instead of moving it. Touch it all up right there. The handle area is always a little bit of a problem because when you pour, because there's a big shadow from the handle. Okay. Okay, and then we'll get a good look at it when we turn it right side up, because there's probably some more stuff we're going to need to do. But I'm also going to dip it in a second glaze, and that's what's going to create the magique. The magique.